A very good morning to all my dear students. In this class, let us learn about properties of addition on integers. The first property, closure property of addition. So in this property, whenever two integers are given, the sum is always an integer. Let's see through these examples. The first example given to us, 3 plus 5, and the answer is 8. So 8 is an integer. In the second property, the first number given to us is a positive integer and the second number given to us negative integer, and the answer is a negative integer. So the property hence it's right according to the closure property of addition. The third one, minus 3 plus minus 9, which is equal to minus 12. So minus 12, again it is an integer. Then 16 plus minus 7, which is equal to 9, and 9 is an integer. Now let's see the second property, commutative law of addition. Now in this property, if any two integers are given to us, like say a and b, then what will be the result? That a plus b is equal to b plus a. Let us learn this through the examples given here. The first one, the two integers given to us are, the first one negative integer minus 3 and the other one is 8. So minus 3 plus 8, which is equal to 5, and 8 plus minus 3 is equal to 5 also. Therefore, if you do this way or you do that way, okay, both way the answer will be equal. So let's see it again. Once again, this is your a. Here a plus b, okay, the answer for a plus b is equal to 5, and here what they have done, they have written b first, then they have written a. So b plus a is equal to 5 again. So what is the conclusion? That whether you write the first integer here or you change the place of the integer, the answer will remain the same. Right, girls? Now let's see the next property, that is associative law of addition. Now here three integers are given to you, a, b and c. So the rule applicable here is a plus b within bracket plus c is equal to a plus b plus c within bracket. So let's learn this through one of the example given here. So say here three integers are given in the book. The first one is minus 5, the second one is minus 7, and the third one is 3. So minus 5 is your a here, minus 5 is your a, minus 7 is your b, and your 3 is your c. Now according to this rule which is given here, a plus b within bracket plus c is equal to a plus b plus c within the brackets. Now what you are supposed to do, just put the values in this rule and you check whether you are getting the same answer or not, and you will be getting a same answer according to this law of addition. So what is the name of this law of addition? That is associative law of addition. Now the fourth part, if a is any integer, then a plus 0 is equal to a and 0 plus a is also a. So let's see through example. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3, and 0 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 5. So here a remark is given, and the remark says 0 is called the additive identity. 0 is called as what? Additive identity. Now let's see the fifth property given here. The sum of an integer and its opposite is 0. The sum of an integer and its opposite is 0. Thus, if a is an integer, then a plus minus a. Right, girls? The sum of an integer and its opposite. Supposingly, this is an integer a. The opposite of integer a is minus a, because this is plus a. So this is minus a. You can take any other number also, like b is equal to minus b. So b is what? B is a positive integer, and the opposite of this is minus b. So instead, don't put equal to sign, because these are not equal. You can put a comma sign here. And when you will be doing the addition for these, now addition a plus minus a, this is equal to what? This is equal to 0. You can check also, a minus a is equal to what? Is equal to 0, this way. Right, girls? Therefore, a and minus a are called opposites or negative or additive inverse of each other. One example is given here. They have taken an integer 3 and the opposite of integer 3 is minus 3. The sum is 0, and when they have changed the positions, they have first written the negative integer, that is minus 3, plus 3 is equal to 0 again. Therefore, the additive inverse of 3 is what? Minus 3. And the additive inverse of minus 3 is what? 3. And one remark is given, that is clearly the additive inverse of 0 is 0. 0 for 0 we never say the opposite is minus 0. For zeros, this rule, this like 0 and minus 0 doesn't exist, right girls? So the additive inverse of 0 is 0. Now successor and predecessor of an integer is given, and we have already discussed in whole numbers about successor and predecessor. Successor is where we are adding 1 and predecessor is where we are subtracting 1. So some examples are given here. The first example, the successor of 19, that is 19 plus 1. 20. The successor of minus 18. So minus 18 plus 1 is equal to minus 17. So this way these examples are given. So now on the basis of the information given, solve example number 9 and example number 9, example number 10 and these examples given in your exercise notebooks. Thank you.